teacher of ICT from Keframa High School. We are very glad today to have Sharebility, Uganda in northern region. I am very happy as a teacher because today I have got what always I lacked as a teacher of ICT. Some other resources we have received so far, like softwares, how to handle students in ICT, the report card, so I'm very happy.
Yes, my name is Ogwang Vincent. I am a teacher, Morlem Girls Secondary School. I am privileged to be for this workshop today, the 20th April 2024 in the Wisdom High School, Kwale District. We are discussing a workshop on website designing and ICT integration. We are going to ensure all teachers they are well equipped with the knowledge on ICT tools, and also include the offline library in all our computers in the laboratory so that learners can be in position to access all the necessary resources which they can get even without having the internet connected. Now, this session we are going back for website designing, which is going to be more of hands-on. We are going for practical. At least after this, I'm going back and to teach now the WordPress to my students. So after learning the WordPress, my students can now be in position to market themselves. And also after this, I'm going to create the school website, which is going to be used for advertising my school. Once again, I am very privileged. I encourage other ICT teachers who are out there, those who have not attended, at least next time if it is organized, try your best and you participate.
In a nutshell, the processes are the plugins, the themes are installed before. The learner just logs in. The first thing they do, they create the menu and the pages under the customizer. They set the home page. They add the logo and still under the customizer. After adding the logo and the site title, they can also remove the footer. They can edit the footer. They go to Elementor header footer, they work on the header. And you don't necessarily have to reproduce the one of your name. You can even do a simple header. Put your logo on the right, put the menu in the middle. On the right, you can put a button, just like Ashanta showed us. Are we there? You don't necessarily have to reproduce that same menu with the Marquee, what? Because they have not asked for those features. It's your creativity. You can even decide to put the Marquee in the footer instead of putting it up. Are we there? Yeah. So the Elementor header footer is a drag and drop. You just select an element and put it there. Now, after that, once you work on the header and it is done, open the website, just click on a page, edit. Page, edit, put their content. Page, edit, put their content. Page, edit. When you reach the contact page, you need to go to the contact form plugin and edit it. It has some codes which you can use to modify the form, to add there other things on the form. And then when you are done, you can export your website using Simple Static, and you'll be done. So you can give it a try and see. But you stay open, explore the HTML itself, and there are also other applications that we have on Sharebility software page. There is also Expression Web. Some schools are using it. And that Expression Web, I made a video 5 years ago about Expression Web when we were still in the old curriculum. Because schools were using Publisher a lot, but Publisher was meant for calendars and business cards, not websites. Yeah, so I saw Expression Web. It was still supported by Microsoft and made a video. You can get that video also on YouTube channel and try it out for Expression Web. You can get the software from sharebility.net, sharebility.net/software. You can be able to go there and get Expression Web, VS Code, all those softwares, you can get them from there.
Just connected from Popol 6SS and up. Though I came late, but I've managed to learn a lot of new things. The workshop has been very beneficial to me. Personally, as an individual, I've learned a new thing. I've also learned a lot of things that I can teach with my students. And I believe out of what I've learned today, my students will get the best out of me. The same to the school will get the best out of me. Then to my facilitators, I just pray you keep doing this for the time you live in this world, so that you teach the world. I've learned one thing from you, that have to give. We also want to have, and we also give to others. We explore the world, we also explore the new technologies.
My name is Emmanuel Okelo. I am one of the hosts. I am so glad to host this wonderful workshop into our school. It has indeed pushed us how to come out with a nice website. Not only that, I was able to know much about how to come out with a nice report card. I just want to give the votes of thanks to Rogers and the team, and I believe that as they continue to move throughout the world, many will be able to learn a lot of skills.
My name is called Stephen Nyekuraj, a teacher from Manaka Integrated Secondary School district. I want to express my happiness for Sharebility Uganda, because what they brought to us in northern Uganda is so wonderful. In this, at least we've got some skills that we've added onto what we had, and has made us so proud. We also call Sharebility Uganda to again come back to us for the next program, because we still yearn for more. Thanks.
So, we are through with our workshop today, and I'm here with one of the participants. Can you tell us your name once again?
My name is Okelo.
And you are a teacher at Keframa High School.
Keframa High School found in
How was the workshop, and how are you happy with what you have done?
Actually, the workshop was interesting to me, because this is what I've been searching for. I've been trying this online, but I can't get to where I am right now. And I'm very happy because I've started now. I've learned many things. Most of them are getting other softwares that can help me to build my website. Yes.
So, which technology have you used to design this header here?
I use the Elementor.
Okay.
Yes.
The Elementor page builder.
Okay.
So this is for a website for ICT Club. Do you have some students in the ICT Club as well?
Yeah, we have started last month. I've started investing in them. So I would like them to create this website as their project. Yes.
And they can even come for what they can leader and other things.
This is how it works.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much for coming, and hope to see you even at the World Camp leader and all other programs that you shall have.
Thank you for your time. You are good for us, those who are on the side.
Okay.
God bless you.
All right. Thank you.